Okay, I'm gonna try growing me some more russet potatoes using what they call the layered potato method, where you put straw, get you a wire, chicken wire, put it in a round shape, and you keep layering it, starting with the straw and the soil, and you layer the potatoes that have the eyes on them. See all of those potatoes, they're gonna regrow themselves. And then you put soil on top of that and straw, and you keep stacking it until you get all the way up to the top with the straw, soil, and the potatoes with the eyes on them. Oh, they look good there with a bunch of eyes. So hopefully I can get a whole bunch of potatoes, russet potatoes, growing from these. So let me get busy layering my potatoes till I get all the way up to the top. I could have cut the potato in smaller pieces because it has several eyes around it, but I decided I'm just gonna put the whole potato in the layer method and just let them sprout out and make us a whole lot of russet potatoes. Okay, I'm gonna layer 3 potatoes at a time and put some more soil and straw on top of it, and then put 3 more and keep going. I think I have about 12, so I could do me 4 rounds of russet potatoes, layering them in, and let's see how they're gonna grow for us. I'm almost through layering my russet potatoes. My daughter calls it a lasagna method. Okay, one more stack of the straw on top, and I think I'm gonna add some onions on top of this as well. The bunching onions to kind of keep some of the pest off of the potatoes. Layering the potatoes wasn't hard to do. I hope I get a lot of russet potatoes to grow this way. Let me finish stacking the last stack of straw on top and the onions, and I'll be finished. Okay, I'm gonna sprinkle in some of these bunching onions on the top. Let them grow and be a pest protection for these potatoes. I think I got them all out of there. Then I'm gonna layer 1 more round of straw on top, and that'll be it. My little layer potato bin looks okay. Okay, it's all layered in now. Let me just give it a little watering and we'll be through. Can't wait to see the leaves coming through the chicken wire, showing me that something is growing underneath all of this straw and soil. Okay, the potato layer method, growing me some russet potatoes. Big Mama's garden. Let's see how it's gonna come out. I hope it works fine.